A specific wavelength 670 nanometer of light coming from a galaxy moving with velocity v. The observed wavelength is 670.7 nanometer. The value of v is a 3 into 10 raised to 8, b 3 into 10 raised to 10, c 3.13 into 10 raised to 5, and d 4.48 into 10 raised to 5 meter per second. So we have our wavelength and velocity v we have to find, and the observed wavelength is 670.7 nanometer. Well, emitted is just 670 nanometer. So we have to find v. We have the formula lambda observed minus lambda emitted by lambda emitted is equal to v by c, for v very much lesser than c. This is our condition. So we can do our answers. We'll have 670.7 minus 670 by 670 is equal to v by c value. We know it is 3 into 10 raised to 8. Now we can do the further calculation. We'll get 0.7 by 670 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 is equal to v. After calculation, we'll get the answer as 3.13 into 10 raised to 5 meter per second, which is our option C.